In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Slack. By the end, your Asana project updates will flow straight into the Slack channel you choose, helping your team stay aligned without constantly switching tabs. Start by logging into your Asana account on a desktop or laptop. The desktop browser gives you the full set of project controls and makes the setup smooth. Once you are in, open the specific project you want to connect to Slack. Be sure you have permission to customize this project. If you can edit the project settings, you're good to go. In the top right corner of your project, click the Customize button. It's typically near the project name and may look like a sliders icon. This opens a panel with options that let you tailor how your project behaves. Scroll down in the Customize panel and click Apps. This is where you'll connect tools that work alongside Asana. In the Apps list, use the search bar to look for Slack. When Slack appears in the results, click it to open the integration details. Next, click Add to Slack. Your browser may open a new tab or a pop-up window. If you have a pop-up blocker, allow the window so the connection can continue. When prompted, log into your Slack account. If you're part of multiple Slack workspaces, double-check that you're in the correct one by looking at the workspace name in the top right of the Slack authorization page. Slack will show you what permissions the Asana app needs to post updates. These permissions allow Asana to send notifications to the channel you select. Review them, then click to authorize Asana to access your Slack workspace. This step is required so that your project can send updates reliably. Finally, choose the Slack channel where you want project notifications to appear. Pick a channel your team already uses for that project, or create a dedicated channel ahead of time if you need a focused space. If it's a private channel, make sure you're a member so it can be selected. You can change this channel later from the same apps area in Asana if your needs evolve. That's it. From now on, when your team works in that Asana project, key updates will show up in the channel you chose, helping everyone stay informed in real time. If you notice too much noise, consider refining which types of events you follow in Asana's project settings so the channel only shows what matters most. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.